Hey guys, today is March 30, so we're going to cook breakfast. Yan na si nanay, nanonood siyang Family Feud. Ngayon, ang naisip kong lutuin, itlog na may talong. Pero ibang style naman. Talong kami ito guys. So yun, maghahanap muna ako pipitas muna ako ng talong guys. Wait a minute. Guys, so this is my experiment. Egg with talong with sibuyas and kamatis. Wala nang maisip guys sa luto ng talong. Kaya, nagaling na yan. In-experiment ko na lang siya. Nay, let's eat na. Luto na din yung kanin. Yan. Init. So, yun na guys. Eating time.